What's going on, guys? Wes back with another review, and I got something to show you today. And I gotta admit, it's pretty tiny, and it's in my shorts right now. I'll just show you. Check it out. It's a massage gun. A pocket-sized massage gun. I mean, look at the comparison compared to my Hyper Ice. This is probably the average size of a massage gun that you'll see out there on the market, and here's the mini. So RecoverFun reached out to me and asked me if I would do a comparison of their massage gun versus the Hyper Ice, because their price point is about 50% that of the Hyper Ice, and from what they said, it performs in the exact same way. I did a video stating exactly what massage guns do and why you shouldn't have to buy a premium massage gun to get the job done, which is using massage gun to remove lactic acid buildup in your muscles. But when I checked out their website, I saw this thing. One of the things I've been looking at is something more compact and portable to put in my gym bag, and I was doing some serious thinking about purchasing the Theragun Mini, and that's $200. $200 price point is about the lowest you're going to see in their product line, and I just didn't see anything else on the market that was miniature size. So this was a huge surprise to me, and I gotta say, I am thoroughly impressed. Now, I use the hell out of my massage gun. I use it at home, I use it at the gym, but lugging this around in my gym bag all the time is just impractical. It's big, it's bulky, and that's only one of the headaches that I have with this. I use it so much that it's not always on the charger or I forget to charge it. And it's got the 24 volt on the bottom, and I'm not gonna carry and lug around a charger specific to this around. So in steps in the RecoverFun Mini, and it's pretty substantial. This feels like a solid piece of metal. Is it as powerful as my Hyper Ice? No. It is good enough, and it's $79, $120 less than what I was going to spend on the Theragun Mini. And unlike the Theragun Mini, it comes with all the attachments that you're gonna need. And the biggest surprise that I have, USB Type-C charging at the bottom. Meaning I've already got the charging cables in my 4Runner. I don't have to carry anything extra. If it is dying, I can charge it on the way to the gym, and I'm good to go. So everything about the design of this is awesome. It's small, it's compact. I personally cannot recommend the RecoverFun Mini enough. I mean, it's great. And like I said, is it as powerful as my Hyper Ice? No. But is it good enough? It's better than good enough. So I appreciate RecoverFun Mini sending this my way. If you're looking for an affordable, portable, and convenient way to carry around your massage gun, I mean, look at this thing. So I'll put a link in the description to RecoverFun's website. Go ahead and check them out. $79 price point. Awesome product. Thank you for sending it to me, and thank you for watching. Peace.